Hello, just doing a little installation demo. So first you're gonna get a file and you're gonna unzip it. And it should have all these files here. And the main files you need to change are credentials.json and credentials LinkedIn. So I'll show you how to go through that. So first you wanna go to Google Cloud Console. You can open it, but it'll take you to this page, right? And then if you wanna create a project, I already have a few projects, but it might say correct project, but anyway, you want to click over here, new project, and we can name it like demo project. Right? It's great. And you gotta wait for it to create the project. Let's do its thing, and then the project is created. So now we're gonna go into it, demo project, and we have to enable the Google Sheets API and the Google Drive API. So again, follow me, API and services, library, Google Drive API, and we're gonna click enable. And you gotta wait for it to do its thing. Just about done. I'm gonna go back. So now it's enabled. And you wanna enable Google Sheets API. So again, we go back to library, Google Sheets API. I passed by it. Anyway, you could search Sheets right here, enable. So now you have these two enabled. We want to create the keys, I believe. Yeah, next we're gonna create the keys. So let's go back. Wait, sorry. APIs and services, credentials, and we're gonna create a key. So create credentials right here, and we're gonna click service account. Service account name, it really doesn't matter. Demo name, and we're gonna create and continue. And we're gonna select role. We're gonna put it to owner, and we're gonna continue and continue again. So now we have our key, right? So we're gonna click it, and then we're gonna go to keys over here, and we're gonna download the key. So we're gonna create or add new key right here, create new key, and we want a JSON file. And this is basically our credentials.json file. Great. So now you have this. We're gonna open it. So anyway, here's our little credentials. This is gonna be the format it's in. We're gonna take this, we're gonna drag this into the file. So this is the template credentials. It's just here, but you need to edit it. So as you can see, there's nothing in it, right? But our main credentials is this one right here, and it has the keys and everything. So we're gonna delete this credentials file, and we'll rename this credentials to credentials, because this is our actual credentials, like with the keys and everything, right? So now we have our private key saved. We're gonna click edit in Notepad, and we're gonna find the email, client email, right here. Copy it, and now we're gonna go back to our demo spreadsheet. I'll give you guys a link to the spreadsheet. It's just basically the columns, rows, etc. We're gonna click share, and then we're gonna put that username, or not the username, the email. I'm gonna make an editor, and I'm gonna send. Okay, we're almost done. Now we want the credentials.linkedin, right? You're gonna have to put in your LinkedIn credentials and LinkedIn password. But to find spreadsheet ID, we're gonna go to the Google Sheets thing, and we're gonna copy this up here. Sometimes it has a what's it called, hyphen. So when you double click it, it won't copy the whole thing. In that case, you want to manually drag and hold. You want to copy everything between the D and the edit, right? This is your spreadsheet ID. Copy it, and I'm gonna put it in here. So I'm gonna take this off to the side because I don't want to leak my LinkedIn stuff. But anyway, you're gonna put in your LinkedIn credentials, and then so now I have my LinkedIn credentials my actual LinkedIn credentials, and this is the temporary credentials file. When I double click job organizer, it should run. It's reading the contents, and we're running, right? So it's gonna automatically log you in. Gonna take you to the jobs page. Now we can enter the job or queue to quit. So to use this, let's just put this over here. So let's say we're gonna scroll through the jobs tab, like top jobs for me, and you say you really like this job, so you go and apply for it, but you don't want to manually copy and paste the logging and everything. So basically, it just does it for you. All you have to do, you're on this page, you just click enter. That's it. As you can see, it automatically populates all the details. Let's put this over here. Okay, position, automated test engineer, company, the URL, the salary, has everything, right? Benefits, tuition reimbursement, let's go, free education benefit, and you can manually go through and look for it. And let's find it. Let's do tuition reimbursement, and you can go through and look at it manually, but this program does it for you, like in literally a second. And you have the responses, so it just keeps everything really organized. So you want to do another position, let's say you're scrolling through, you find this job, you want to go back and click enter, and it automatically logs it for you, right? It just makes your life so much easier. Let's say I want to do this job manually, right? Equipment technician, Riverside, CA, copy this position, this. One, the format's wrong. Two, there's a random link. It just like, okay, let's keep going. Copy and paste. It looks bad, right? And it takes a long time. But let's say I wanted to just save the job in 2 seconds. Boom. Everything logged perfectly formatted, and everything done in literally a second. Anyway, that's my little program. Thank you for your time.